guys, we're here again. I haven't got no makeup on, but we're doing another DIY. This is amateur DIY where she does her bathroom and puts some sticky back stuff on it to make it all nice. Now, this is my current situation on my table. That is my table. That is my current situation. I love this table, but I have scribbled out these marks for ages and they still are refusing to come off. So what I'm going to do is, because it's not really silky, I'm going to put the wallpaper with this marble thing and put it on my desk and see how we go. So let's do this. So guys, I can see I've got, I'm going to clean my table first. So I've got these wipes here. You just can use anything like a dishcloth or something like that, or white. I use wipes because they're antibacterial wipes, which I love. There you go. And they smell of apple and apricot as well. And who doesn't want that? So I've got some tissue just to clean up. I don't have a kitchen towel, so this is what I'm going to do. Just clean everything first. Make sure everything gets off. I do have a sticker on here that I need to peel off as well. It's going to be sad to peel off, but I've got to. I've got to peel it off. Maybe I can just leave it on there. Just be a little bit of the thing. So here we go. Just going to clean it off. As you can see, it does wipe off, but some of the bits don't wipe off, and it's really annoying to do. I'm just gonna clean it all. I've got the majority of stains off, which is kind of a lot of stains. I'm gonna take a toilet paper, put it roll. You might think, oh my god, that's disgusting, but you know what? It gets the job done. So I have now a pretty clean table. Now it's time for this. So basically what you do is take it off. It has a little sticky, so I'm just going to put that sticky up there. And now what I'm going to do is measure it. This might be too thingy for me, so I might need to do doubles. Yeah, definitely need to do doubles. So what I need to do is make sure it's, I'm going to put it around about here. So when I stick it off, it'll just be around about here. And then do that. So she's got a bigger piece, but I can just lay them on top. Just going to do that there for a minute. So what I'm going to do is peel it off. And you see, I'm just peeling it off. I'm just peeling it off to about halfway. And what I need to do is make sure I've got the edges done first, so the edges can be really nice and done. Make sure they're right at the edge. No, right at the edge. Comes off as well, so don't worry about it. If you make any mistakes, just, you know, put it off. I'm just going to stick this here and just make sure that the other pieces are kind of, you know, the same. So I'm just going to put that there. Make sure you do that and everything, and then you want to pull it, put it so it's literally got no bubbles in there. That's why I don't like doing this part per se, because it's the bubbles that I hate. So I'm just going to, you know, put up again, just make sure the bubbles, everything's kind of laying down flat. You know, I don't like doing this bit, that needs to be done. Ugh. You can just basically lift it up a couple of times. I'm just doing that just to make sure it's all right, you know. Okay, just gonna go down to thingy and make sure that it's doing, I'm doing it what I want it to, you know, just press, you know, just take out all the air bubbles. I'm going to take out all the air bubbles. So this is what I mean, look. Did I even get that straight? Yes. Yes. Right. So I just need to kind of put it so this bit doesn't have any air bubbles. Here we go. So I'm just going to do this with my finger. If any roll up, Here we go. Make sure it's nice and, you know, thingy. Just going to take out all the air bubbles. It's getting there. It just needs to, you know, just doing it at a time. You know, just doing it at a time. Because that's what I need to do. Do it at a time, you know. If you have like a ruler, it's best with a ruler. But I don't have a ruler, so. It's not going to be perfect. Mine's not going to be perfect, but you know what? But I don't think I care. I don't think I care too much if it's not perfect. Because it's done myself, you know. Nothing's going to be perfect, so this is going to take a while, just to let you know. So I'm just going to keep fiddling with it. And I'll come back once the whole table's done. So guys, I've just finished the table. And I've got this much left. There is a bit, you can tell what I've done, but there are, like, I didn't have enough to fill the whole table, so I cut some up and everything. But what I've done is, because I'm actually really proud of what I've done this from Scholl's d.i.y. Do you know what? I'm really happy that I've done it. It's looking really, really nice and really smooth. It just completes the whole look of the table, which I'm really liking. I did the side as well. The sides, from far away, the table looks good. From up close, you can see the imperfections, if you know what I mean. But I will leave Scholl's d.i.y down below so you can go follow her and go check her videos out. But I love the fact that I've done this from her DIYs, because I've always wanted to do something like this, but I've never had, you know, the guts to do it. Or, you know, the time or the energy to do it. Just to let you know, there is a lot of rubbish that comes with it. A lot of rubbish that comes with it. I'm going to show you how much rubbish. All the bits of paper like that, like there, like there. So this is how much rubbish. You do get a lot of rubbish with this stuff because you just fling it everywhere. It's a lot of rubbish. But this is the table. This is what I mean, where you can see from so close. You can see where it's from far away. You stand back. It looks really good. Like, you can't tell the things, but yeah, these bits I did as well. There are, if you get up close, there are like little things where you can tell, but from far away, I am liking it. It is, I've done it on the side as well, so from far away, it looks really good. I like it. You get up close, you can tell. But I'm going to put all the stuff on and show you what the whole thing looks like. Everything, because I've done a pretty good job. I'm proud of myself. See, look, this is what I mean as well. Like, it just looks like I bought a marble table. But I haven't, I've just done it myself. If you ever feel like you want a marble table, get one of these adhesives that comes off the sticky back. You can get these in Wilko's, and I think you can get these in Hobbycraft and stuff like that. Get these in all craft shops. But I tell you what, if you want a marble table, buy a white table. This one was from IKEA. I think it was like 30 quid. Go to IKEA, just get a white table, get something like this, and do it yourself, because on the long run, it will save you a whole lot cheaper, because these marble tables run from probably about 50 to 60 quid. Like, they're expensive. But yeah, I'm going to sort it out and show you what the finished look is like with my makeup on there. And do you know what? I'm buzzing. But yeah, let me just... So guys, I have put up all the stuff, and I did record this bit up. I did film this bit already, but I wasn't recording. I just put everything on there. It looks 10 times better than ever. It just looks freaking amazing. I'm speechless that I've done this, because I'm proud of myself. Like, my New Year's resolution to get more positive. You know, I want to walk everywhere, do more DIYs on my dream board. I'm putting my dream board in here. I'm going to put it somewhere. I know one of you guys didn't like my dream board, but it's okay. But this, I'm really proud of myself. Scholl, I link her DIY, I link her channel and her DIY that I used down below on the iCards. Do you want to see it, guys? It looks good. How freaking good does that look? I am amazed that I've took something from a white table and turned it to a freaking marble table. Like, I'm amazed. Like, I'm proud of myself for doing this. This is the best table I've ever done. And it may be odd in shapes, but I don't care because look at it. It just looks freaking amazing. It's amazeballs. It just looks freaking amazing. It's just the best. So yeah, that is my table. When I do DIYs, I don't put any makeup on because I feel like I don't need to, because I probably feel like I sweat, but I need to do a makeup tutorial today. But I'm so pleased of what I've accomplished and what I've done. This is the best I've ever done. And I'm proud of myself that I'm getting back into DIYs. I think I need to get back into DIYs because I absolutely love them. Because I used to do them, but I've done it. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.